Today's day 2 and welcome to my series of rebuilding myself from scratch as a mom of 2 with God this time. So basically for today I wrote down a list of things that I want to get done today, but what I wanted to do is that actually I want to completely take today, just today alone, to get the videos edited and see how long it can take me to actually get some videos edited and completed for today. So come along on my journey with regards to getting my videos editing. And I can with my hair. I know this is not best of cane rows ever, but I got my hair cornrows or cane rows or whatever they want to call it. So let's go. Hi, are you finished with your bottle? He's showing me that he's finished with his bottle. Let's go. I tried putting him to sleep, but this boy got his foot all up in my face. Like any other mom content creators have this issue with their kids. Like when it's time to create content and work on your business, like it's super hard, especially if the kids are not sleeping. Like that's my son. He took about an hour to get to sleep, but anyways, I got him to sleep, started working on editing my video because I'm like, okay, I need to get some editing done for today. Like I need to get all of these videos edited, because honestly batch creating content has been the best thing for me, because it really helps me, especially being a mom and I have other things to do like taking care of the kids and ensuring that they're okay. Also I'm working on the business, so I can't spend my entire day working on content. So I've been batch creating the content and making sure that they are edited and ready to be posted when time is ready. My baby ran out of Nestum, so I had to pause my editing to go get him some Nestum and put him to sleep. So I'm gonna give somebody the money for them to get it for me. This is the Nestum that I feed my son with. He loves the Nestum and Lasco, like the wheat and honey. He doesn't drink anything else. Like if I even try to give him any other Nestum, like it doesn't work. So I'm going back now, and the sun is so hot, but I'm going back now to continue my editing and see if I can get all of them done and edited today. Like I was trying my best to get as much as possible done today with regards to the editing, but I only got a few videos edited, which I'm not really mad about because at least I got a few edited. But I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow, and honestly I'm learning how to balance my life. Grabbing something to eat. So this is my oats and milk. Y'all, when I got down these stairs, the little boy that I just put to sleep like 1 hour and 30 minutes ago was awake. I was so shocked. I'm like, okay, it's time for me to go for my daughter. So this is me and him just running to go for my daughter. And I'm like, oh my God, I have to pick this up back tomorrow. Like any other mom content creator has these issues where they just have a time span to get things done. It's really hard.